with the lights out. It's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers. Load up all guns and bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend. She's overboard, self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Hello, 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 how low. Hello, 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 how low. Hello, 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 how low. Hello, hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is all rise as we welcome the reason why we're gathered here tonight, the lady of the hour, our lovely debutante, Miss Jane Ong Luceno.
With the lights out, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertain us. I feel stupid and contained.
Once again, our debutante, Jane Ong Luceno.
Entertain us. And I forget just what I taste. Oh yeah, I guess it makes me smile. I found it was hard to find. Oh well, whatever, never mind. Hello, 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 how low. Hello, hello.
Happy 18th birthday, di ba? Big milestone unlock. Grabe. Wishing you a really fun and memorable debut. You've always had a nice and light energy around you. And it's cool seeing you reach this new chapter in your life. Happy 18th birthday.
I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream in me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough. Never be enough. Time to go too little. These hands
Maram no? Maram app na
never be enough.
marami Tamo ka pa maabot sa inyong nabuhay, no? Basta importante lang, Jai, mamatik ka sa ama, ibutan ka, pero may bata, butan ka man talaga, di ba? Yung ka-kind heart, yung laki danay yung pinagkaka sunduan. Danay? Dikit pinagkakasunduan, pero kay partner dun sa pagipilma sa inyo. Diba? Marang ka nga, mahal na mahal ka naman. Namo nila dati. Muna mo tanan para sa inyo. Diba? So kay kariyag na mo, nalimayon ka, puson, naging successful ka sa future. No? Yan. Alam mo may lagi kakayungan, mawara kami sa kalibutan. Naging na mo, naging mo, na obligasyon nila kaganak mo, kung maging maupay ka, katao mo. No? So yan na, bago ko pa nga ni ka fight for your dreams. Ano? Yan, stay ka po with permi sa covenant pa. E para Maganda siya perdi sa imo, magiging tama na tanan ang desisyon. Pero di ka mga ngachi, pero minumuli ang college. E kung nano ang kanya career para sa kanya, bago mo perdi sa ito. No? So, mahal na mahal ka na mo, mahal na mahal ka ito. Isa sigang away, ha? Happy birthday, David.
Ate Jai, most beautiful daughter. Anak akong advice. We were having family meeting, family council. Ito niya pamagi, makahatag kami regular advisory mo. So, very like niyan, chance na makahatag kami advisory. Kundi interest, nakakausap ka namin, nagkakausap sa iyo ang palimalay. When you have reached the age of maturity, di ba? So, medyo magpapagunay ito na din mo kalibutan yan. Kami, anak mo, karuyan, na maging magpagunalat ang very low kay nagatan, no? So, pinatunta, makusog ka sa inyong mga future endeavors, especially na you'll be living apart from your very comfort zone. So, gumayada lang courage and kusog, kusog sa isip, pag-atubang sa mga challenges na maabot sa iyo. Hindi naman ito naging pangarap na maging independent ka, di ba? So ako, I'm willing to support for your independency. Ganito kasi mga lugar. No? So, we just hope and pray na we'll have that wisdom in making choices. Happy birthday and I love you.
Love you.